Hey guys, Wagwan. What is up, you guys? So we here with another video. As you guys know, I was in Jamaica for the weekend, but I'm now back into the States. And when I'm in Jamaica, I love to go to Ocho Rios and spend a day at the Blue Hole with friends. So the Blue Hole, I used to work there for a couple of years, and it was just a little chill spot. We have a lot of fun there.
Mad thing, man. Yeah, man. We lay up by the ends, you know? I eat some ice cream. Hot fudge. Yeah, man. Chilling, right? That's the creamy, right?
Ice cream.
Yeah, man. That's Kemar, right? Mother ass glad. Yeah, man. Killer.
When you're Jamaica, go on easy back, you know? On the Blue Hole. Yeah. Chilling with the friends, yeah.
Yeah, man, we're there upon the Gaza, you know? We're a bad man guide, man. You know the thing, guy, the be a ganja and burn up, you know?
Big up to
Mad
our
thing.
video man. Yeah. And his wife.
I'm David.
Take a video for him, man. Yeah, man, give me the camera, let that video you say something.
Oh man, I see myself all the time. I don't need to see myself no more.
No, man, you need to see yourself on this one.
Oh no.
You've never seen yourself at the Blue Hole on that camera. Alright?
So as I said, I was in Jamaica and I spent a day in Ochi. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys what I did for the day. So you know the Blue Hole is a cool spot. It's a popular tourist attraction. You could swim, you could do rope swings into the water, the tour guide could perform tricks for you, and you could also have a mud bath. And if you don't want to do nothing into the water, you could just chill by the bar and have a drink and have some food. So I'm gonna basically start it out with a little tour at the Blue Hole. So hey guys, what's up? We're in Ocho Rios town right now. So I'm heading to the Blue Hole. So I'm on my way to the Blue Hole right now. The smell. Big up, yeah? Alright. Worm Star. I change and forward. Nah, man, no. Yeah, I did me killer. Yeah, man. Brawling. Nah, man, no gun people. You hear that? Make my noise, yeah? Munga dan. Cool. Yeah. Most love, yeah? Munga. Make my noise, yeah? Killer, hold this. Big up, yeah? Alright, killer. Yeah, man, me and the kid walk go by the falls, you know. So we're heading up to the falls, guys, the big waterfalls. Yeah, deal. Big up, you hear that? Yeah, there's a whole heap of cane and thing and sweet sugar cane in Jamaica. It's the elder, yeah. Big up, you hear that? What does that go on? Oh, the grades? No, I'm not lick it again.
Eh? You smoke again?
No.
Oh, okay, I can smell it still.
Yeah, sweet.
Thing good though.
Yeah, man, a normal free, man.
You got free for that one, too. No joking, eh?
Yeah, it's ready. I swear, Dada. There's no chop it no more, yeah.
We want to tap too, but
Yeah,
slow
the
down.
chop, man, the chop.
Slow down.
Alright, my father. Big up, yeah? Alright. So this is where I used to work, guys, at the Blue Hole. And this is where I meet my beautiful wife, Catania. So we're out here at the Blue Hole, guys. See, they have some carvings going on right here. Lots of carvings. I'll be a trouble, Mama Maggie, you know. Holy but thing I go on right there, so. Worm Star and the Empress.
One president.
Never lie.
What's the testing of my father?
Mama. Hold this man, thing bless. There, I hear that. Nah, man.
Nah, man, free, is it?
Not real time.
Just another day.
Cha-cha. Sorry, my father.
Yo! Look at him.
Murder, I know for cold.
Murder, that's
Fully, you know, man.
One photo stop.
Never lie.
Man, never lie. Fully, man.
Brawling. When people no done way name they are Remy Martin. Okay, oh wow. Never lie, no man. Yeah man, nah man. Out here guys, at the Blue Hole. Jamaica, Island Gully Falls. With the people. Poor guy getting himself together. Not thinking about here. Come here.
Hold on, go on the other side. Never. I want to try it.
My God.
I want to try that.
Nah, man, I lie. Never lie. Nah, man, woman, I lie. Never lie. Nah, man. Nah, man. Nah, man. Yeah? Where's the earth? Nah, man, my brother.
Hey, boy, right now. See them you.
Never lie. Nah, man. Rub your mother and don't be afraid. Rub the mother and don't be afraid, young man. I lie.
We're fine. Yes,
Nah, man, must back a go on.
I want that live, my dog.
Eh?
Alive.
No, I dead. Nah, man, I lie. Never lie. Where you go on with? Nah, man, no man, I lie. Let them see pool on, man.
Daddy, man.
Yeah, man.
Daddy, a jungle same way, man. My dog, this say, no.
Bro, you
Long
hear
time,
that?
you know.
Nah,
Yeah.
man.
No,
Yes,
no,
everything
man.
good.
Crazy.
Crazy, you know, man.
There, man.
Yeah.
Up on the blue one, same way.
Same way.
The man of my father, man.
Same way.
Long time, you know. Still
Big up,
there.
you hear that? Enough
Yeah,
love and
man.
respect, you hear that?
Yeah, man.
Nah, man. We're out here. All right. Yes, guys, that's one of my fellow co-workers, you know what I mean? Never tell a lie. Out here. Never lie. So that's the blue hole, and now I'm gonna take you down to the White River where we do water rafting. And that's actually on the way to the blue hole. You gotta pass the White River rafting before you reach to the blue hole. Oh, guys, down here it's called the White River. This is where they do the rafting. We're at the White River. Yeah, So guys, down here is called the White River. White River, this is where we come to do the rafting. So you know it's your boy Kemar president and me love music. Money, power, respect. We have some dogs when me never this yet for the watch by my wrist, what amount of respect. Live and we learn you, I saw the thing said. So I don't know if you guys know Jahvillani. He's a popular Jamaican entertainer, a dancehall musician. So he was having a video shoot in Ochi. So we just pull up on Javi and watch Javi do him thing.
We got money, we got power, so they must respect that. And any boy grow that, be a shot. President! Good job!
Nah, man.
I like?
Never lie.
I'm lying, I'm dying.
So you know, we just pull up on Javi and watch him do him thing. He's one of my friends and I'm a big fan as well. So basically that's what we do for the day in Ochi. And if you guys never visited the Blue Hole, you guys definitely need to check it out. So I hope you guys enjoy the day with me. So don't forget to like, drop a comment, share, and subscribe. And hey guys, we just now hit 1,000 subscribers. Peace out. Stay tuned for the next video. Boom.